his career in Mumbai, Mira Road, and now he's landed up a job in Manhattan with Deloitte. It was the leap of faith that Ujwal had taken, and many congratulations to you, Ujwal. But now over to you.
At that time, it was I think April, where you hosted a webinar about work in US for 3 years and stuff. So that caught my eye because I was anyway looking for a job, and then I thought this is my opportunity to work and get a good job, and that too in US. So I attended that webinar and then applied for Case Western Reserve University. I got selected, and I came to Cleveland in the month of August last year. And yeah, it's been really good ever since. Yeah, in Feb I applied for the job in Deloitte, and in I think 10 or 12 days I got the email for interview. I gave the interview, and then the very next day I got a call that I was selected in Deloitte in New York location as an audit associate. So yeah, I'll be starting in the month of September.